If you're looking for wide leg yoga pants, don't look further. Quick disclaimer here. I have received this product free to try. Let's see what's inside. All right. Very nicely packaged. Here is the wide leg. Here's the front. It's crossed in the front. And let's try them on. I got X large size. I like the pockets. Let's see if I can fit my phone. There it is. My phone is there. And the width here is very comfortable. They're very soft and they're very solid. The fabric provides strong stretchability. The high waist design features a V-cross, enhancing the waistline and offering excellent support. With a wide leg design, these capris cover the knees and below, ensuring freedom of movement during yoga or daily activities. Deep side pockets offer ample storage space for essentials like phones, headphones, or power banks even. These versatile wide leg capris are perfect for yoga, sports, workouts, walking, fitness, casual wear, and easily paired with any tunics or tops for a stylish look.